Alright, number 7. We just have 8 to the 0 power. So that was just a fact, nothing to do here. Just remember it is 1. Any non-zero number to the 0 power is 1. Just want to show you that real quick with the calculator. Let's say if I did a fraction, negative 1/5. Let me actually add a 1 here. Negative 1/5 raised to the 0 power. Get 1. If I just do, did that do it correctly? 8. I think I got to put a fraction in parentheses. If I just do 8 to the 0 power, just like what we got, is 1. Any number you put in, any non-zero to the 0 power is 1. If I do 0 to the 0 power, as I mentioned, it's going to give me error. So it doesn't know what's going on because it's undefined. So we're just going to quit. So any non-zero number to the 0 power is 1. So now we have a little bit of an expression here. So here's what I would do. I have x to the 7th times x to the 6th. Multiplication, same base, we're going to add those. Divided by x to the negative 1 power. I'm going to take this negative 1, bring it up. So if I add 6 and 7, that gives me 13. And then bring this guy up, x to the positive 1 now. And then you just add these. And we get x to the 14th. Alright, number 9, we have 4x to the negative 3rd power, and then y to the 3rd power. And all we want to do is write this with positive exponents. So the one that is negative is right here, the x to the negative 3rd. In order to make that positive, we have to move it down. So x to the 3rd. And it's kind of one of the things that it didn't really show or explain very well. I don't think in the text, it just showed you the one example where you move it down. And then everything else will stay up top. So the 4 and the y to the 3rd will stay up. So you don't always put a 1 up here. If there's other things, they will go up on the top. So this expression is going to be 4 y to the 3rd. And then we get x to the 3rd. Hit the wrong button. Raised to the 3rd.